Power through tough jobs with ease and precision. The best cordless rotary hammer drill delivers unmatched portability, high torque, and effortless drilling into concrete, wood, and metal. Durable, versatile, and battery-powered, it's built for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT DCH172B Rotary Hammer Drill. The DEWALT DCH172B Rotary Hammer Drill is engineered for fast and precise concrete drilling, delivering 1.4 joules of impact energy that powers through tough surfaces effortlessly. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for a wide range of tasks, including rod hanging, concrete forming, cable tray and strut mounting, clip and bracket installation, and railing assembly, ensuring you can handle heavy-duty jobs without fatigue. Equipped with a brushless motor and German-engineered mechanism, this drill provides efficient performance and longer runtime, allowing users to complete more work on a single battery charge. One standout feature is the SHOCKS Active Vibration Control System, which significantly reduces vibration felt at the handles, making extended use far more comfortable compared to conventional rotary hammers. Additionally, the DCH172B achieves OSHA Table 1 compliance when paired with the WH200D shroud and WH161D1 dust extractor, making it a safe choice for professional environments. The mode selector switch allows quick and effortless switching between standard drill and hammer drill applications, saving time and improving workflow on varied tasks. Compact yet powerful, this DEWALT rotary hammer is a reliable option for tradespeople and DIY enthusiasts seeking durability, high performance, and comfort.
Number 2. DEWALT 20-volt DCH133B Rotary Hammer Drill. The DEWALT 20-volt DCH133B Rotary Hammer Drill is a versatile and compact solution for concrete and masonry tasks, offering 2.6 joules of impact energy for rapid and efficient drilling. Its lightweight design makes it suitable for forming, rod hanging, structural connections, beam and column anchorage, steel stanchion installation, or clip or bracket mounting. Built with the brushless motor and durable German-engineered mechanism, the DCH133B ensures maximum performance and runtime while minimizing maintenance needs. One of its notable features is the rotating dial that allows users to select the appropriate mode: drill, hammer drill, or chip, streamlining task transitions without interrupting work. The drill comes with a 360-degree side handle and depth rod, providing enhanced stability, balance, and control during operation. Professionals and DIY enthusiasts will appreciate how the ergonomic design reduces fatigue while maintaining high efficiency during extended use. Despite its compact size, the DCH133B handles demanding applications effectively, delivering consistent impact energy for drilling into concrete, metal, and wood. Its robust construction ensures long-term durability, even under frequent use in construction and renovation projects. This cordless rotary hammer is ideal for users who need a balance of portability and power, allowing them to navigate tight spaces or elevated positions without sacrificing performance.
Number 3. DEWALT 20V Max Rotary Hammer Drill. The DEWALT 20V Max Rotary Hammer Drill is designed for high-performance concrete drilling, featuring 2.1 joules of impact energy that efficiently penetrates dense surfaces. Its lightweight construction makes it ideal for rod hanging, seismic and safety attachments, cable tray and strut mounting, clamp installation, and rail mounting, ensuring comfort during extended use. Equipped with the SHOCKS Active Vibration Control System, the drill significantly reduces the vibration felt at the handles, providing an ergonomic advantage over traditional rotary hammers. The brushless motor paired with the German-engineered mechanism ensures long runtime, optimal efficiency, and durable performance even in demanding conditions. The rotating dial allows users to seamlessly switch between drill, hammer drill, or chip modes, adapting to a wide range of applications without interruption. OSHA Table 1 compliance is achievable when paired with the DWH-303DH onboard extractor, prioritizing safety in professional settings. The drill's precision and powerful impact energy make it a dependable tool for both construction professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require consistency and reliability. Its lightweight design coupled with reduced vibration minimizes user fatigue, enhancing productivity during prolonged work sessions. This cordless rotary hammer excels in delivering accurate drilling performance, allowing users to complete complex tasks like structural connections and safety attachments with confidence.
Number 4. ENEACRO SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill. The ENEACRO SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill ENRH3201 is a powerhouse for heavy-duty concrete work, featuring a 13-amp industrial motor that delivers 7.4 joules of impact energy for fast and efficient drilling. Its high-performance, heat-resistant copper wire motor ensures extended work periods without overheating, while the anti-dust bottom structure enhances longevity and durability. Designed for versatility, this rotary hammer offers 4 functions: drill-only mode for wood and steel, hammer-only mode for concrete or brick, hammer drill mode for heavy-duty tasks, and chisel position adjustment for precise work angles. Switching between modes is easy thanks to the dual switch design, which doubles the service life compared to single-function systems. User comfort and safety are prioritized through a safety clutch that protects the wrist from high-torque forces, and a 360-degree adjustable handle allows for effortless handling in various scenarios. The upgraded double-layer anti-vibration system reduces fatigue and ensures a secure grip via the PU soft handle. With a maximum drilling diameter of 1.25 inches for concrete and 0.5 inches for metal, a no-load speed of 820 RPM, and a maximum impact frequency of 4,200 BPM, the ENEACRO ENRH3201 delivers powerful and precise performance.
Number 5. RH15A 16-inch Rotary Hammer Drill. The RH15A 16-inch rotary hammer drill is built for heavy-duty applications, featuring a 12.5 amp high-power motor that delivers 7 joules of impact energy for efficient drilling in concrete, metal, masonry, and wood. With an impressive 0 to 900 RPM and 0 to 4350 no-load BPM, it handles demanding tasks with consistent performance. The drill offers 4 functions: hammer-only mode for chiseling, hammer drill mode for concrete and brick, drill-only mode for wood, steel, or plastic, and chisel position adjustment for precise angling, making it highly versatile for different projects. User comfort and safety are enhanced with upgraded vibration dampening technology that reduces fatigue, a 360-degree adjustable auxiliary handle for improved balance, and an SDS Plus chuck that allows quick bit changes while ensuring secure retention. The safety clutch protects the motor from overload, prolonging its lifespan, while the heat dissipation system prevents overheating during extended use. Its ergonomic rubber overmolded grip with microtexture ensures optimum comfort and control even during prolonged operation. The RH15A 16-inch rotary hammer drill delivers a professional-grade experience, combining raw power, versatility, and ergonomic design, making it a dependable choice for anyone tackling tough drilling or chiseling projects.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.